So, welcome back, and hopefully you're coming back and you don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a message layer. What is a message layer? So as you can see, it's just a panel that contains a message text, a simple label, drawn on a canvas layer. So as we already saw, canvas layer are UI elements and are drawn on top of everything else and have a fixed screen position. So I'm using this, for example, to show hints like which key to press to collect water, or which key to press to equip the bow at the beginning of the game, and little other things. So every object, every class, every game object should have access to this, and that is also an example for a signal. So how did I implement it? So first, the message layer, as I said, is a canvas layer. The timer, here it's 10 seconds, is used to put the visibility to false after the text has been shown. Margin container is just a layout thing. Inside the margin container is a panel that is a black background, so that it is drawn, as I said, on top of game elements, and we always see the contrast of the white text to the black background. You can change for everything, of course, but I keep it simple here. And in the end, the label text, the message text, is what needs to be displayed on the message layer. So as we see, the top element, the canvas layer, has already a script attached. Let's open this one. We see again it's a canvas layer. Because I defined it as a class, that's why if I see here, that's why I'm seeing here the type message instead of canvas layer. The message text is, of course, that one. I think we could... No. I'm using the variable here. So that makes sense that I write this here in the long form. And then what we see is we connect to a signal. So this signal is defined in player stats. This is here a global class. And in player stats there should be a send message. Let's go there for a second and go up to our signals, and then we see here there is a signal send message. I think I should... no, I don't change it now to capital S, but yeah, I need to be more consistent with my programming. But I think this was the first message I implemented, so and I use it in different scripts, so I don't want to mess it up right now for demonstration purposes. But as you see, currently I'm writing all the signals with a starting capital letter, so that is an exception. But this signal send message is connected to a global function, and this signal, or this global function, can be accessed by any other. Like, let's go into our world and then we see when we start the game, I have a tutorial message that is not shown at the beginning, or has not yet been shown. So if this becomes true, player.send message, arm yourself with a bow 1. And then we set it to true, so this message is only shown once in the world scene. At the beginning, right at the beginning, it's the first thing that happens in the game. We show, because the player is unequipped with a bow, so we tell him there's an enemy right next to you, please arm yourself with a bow. So, back to player stats, and we can see that we can add a parameter like a text string to any of our signals. So what we are doing, player stats send message emits the signal send message. You see there's a difference between the both spellings. This is the one where I said should be a capital S, and this is this signal defined here, and back to our message layer. This connects to show message inside the message layer, and this one is this one. Although it's the same, it's written the same way as in player stats, and it does the same thing. Now we receive the string from the signal. The signal sends our string that we are using here. So once, like here in the world scene, we send the message, player stats receives the message and emits it, and then the message layer receives it, puts itself visibility on true, change the text to the message that we received by the signal, and we start the timer. As we saw already, after 10 seconds the timer will close the message by putting the visibility to false. So, and that's how I use the tutorial message. Let's see for a second. When we start the game, we will directly see how it works. So here we can see arm yourself with a bow. Oh no, I didn't do it. So it's after 10 seconds it disappears. You want to mic pick up some apples. That is a message sent by the apple tree. Here we have a bug. Once a slime hit our player, it loses the detection and doesn't follow any longer. And if I come here to the water, you can get some water with E. So all our messages are sent, or the stick has also a message here. Press E to collect the stick. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.